Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the disk is write protected error for removable disks, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So open the registry editor window and go to the registry editor window and go to the path HKey local machine system current control set and control. Now we'll create a new key. Right click on control, select new key and then name it this. Now in the right pane we will create a DWORD 32-bit entry named write protect. Right click new DWORD 32-bit entry named write protect. Double click on it and make sure that the value data is 1. Click on OK and it will solve the problem, and if it doesn't then just restart your computer for the registry level fix to take place. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.